Hello explorers, and welcome back to another product unboxing. Today I am very excited to show you a collapsible suitcase from the brand Jollying. I was very excited to have them reach out to me and ask me to review one of their amazing new products. And I got to choose any color that I wanted, so I was very excited to pick this one. I really like blue, and I think blue just suits me really well, so I really wanted a blue suitcase for some reason. I do have a lot of blue in my closet, but I was very excited because I have never seen a collapsible suitcase, and they did it with intentionality in mind, to keep spaces compact, especially if you live in a small space or if you're a minimalist, that you can just compact that suitcase and make room for anything else in your closet and have it not take up so much space, really. Let's get started on the unboxing, shall we? I'm in a really compact box, and I could not believe that the suitcase had arrived. And it came in this kind of little nice plastic cover. So let's take a look. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. It is so, look at that. That is incredibly compact. This is at its most compact form. And my goodness, you could really just stow this anywhere. And I can even lift it over my head. It's very lightweight. I got the most lightweight size. I'm gonna get up here so I can show you. Starting with the telescopic handle. That is very, very smooth. Let me put that up so I can show you. This is the full length, and if I stand up, it goes to about right here, high on the belly, over my hips. So it's very smooth all the way down. And I really like the way that it looks. It's very minimalist and it's very compact, very modern design, really. Nice to have something new that is very smooth, very smooth. And you can also adjust the height on this. This is the second one. This is the third one right over here, and then a fourth one. So you can really adjust different heights on the telescopic handle, and it goes down very smoothly. The other feature I want to emphasize is this one right here. It's this clip, and the clip is on both sides. So it really makes sure that it stays compact in this form, but I can just take that off and it starts expanding that bit of the suitcase too. So I'll take this one off right over here. So that way it's like an accordion, and it's magnetic as well. And then the other part that you need to take a look over here is this lock. So you can set the lock, the instructions are right here. You can set the lock, that way it's even more secure. For now, just pop those open and the zippers connect right here, right on the lock. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. So you can already see that the expansion is happening, and I have not even connected it yet. So I'm gonna give you a closer look. Here, you're gonna clip all these sides with these buttons to fully expand the suitcase. Start with this side. I'm gonna clip this over here. It clips quite easily actually, and it stays in place. It's very easy to put together, really no frills about it, and it's quite sturdy. So once you connect all four sides, then you're able to use the suitcase on the go. All the sides are connected, and it's very sturdy. Here we have the expandable and compression strap that you can just take out, and we've got the slip pocket right over here as well. So my favorite thing about the Pebble is that it is so lightweight. You can just roll it up very easily, and it turns easily as well with the four wheels. We also have the telescopic handle that pulls this way if you needed to, as well as this way. And that's me pulling it on a carpet too, folks. So that's really, really smooth, and it glides very easily as well. Compress it and store it away. We're just going to pop that open. Open up the suitcase fully. Empty it out, of course. Collapse all four sides because we don't need that anymore. and it's now in the most compressed manner. I'm just going to close that up. Close the sides that are magnetic. That way it does not pop open. And that is all. Now it is ready to be put away and stowed away until the next trip. What I'm packing for the trip. Let's take a look, shall we? So I've got the Pebble suitcase by Jollying right over here. I just expanded it so I can fit everything I'm going to be taking for a week at the Pacific Northwest. So I've got my 2 packing cubes. This one is the large one that I'll be taking, very lightweight and kind of see-through, which is really nice. This will be for all my main clothing articles. And this smaller one, which is going to be for all the undies, socks, and pajamas. So as you can see here, won't be getting into too much detail about it, undies and socks, and I will also be placing my pajamas in there. So I've got 1 set of pajamas. I have a short sleeve Miffy inspired shirt. I have the merino, 100% merino wool by Unbound as a short sleeve. And of course, this is the comfiest type of shirts that I've ever worn. I'm wearing a long sleeve one right here for travel day. And I have also a wool sweater that I acquired in my trip in Scotland. Super nice. My toiletry case, which that will be in a separate video of what's in my toiletry case and what I've packed for every single trip, pretty much across 50 different countries. Here, no trip is complete to the Northwest without a waterproof jacket. This is an absolute must. I like my neutral colors, so this matches everything and anything I wear. This one I got at REI. Trousers right over here suits me very well because I wear a lot of blue, but they also match everything and they don't get dirty as easily. Thick, very comfy jeans. These are perfect for the weather that I will be seeing up there. Rainy, cloudy, cold, and very windy. So my type of weather, but you definitely need some good pairs of pants to keep you warm during these times. And of course, I have these amazing shoes by Skechers. These are boot slash sneaker hybrids, which come in so handy because they are lightweight like sneakers, comfortable like sneakers, but rugged and durable like boots. I love this neutral color because it matches everything, and they are also waterproof. These are the best travel shoes for these types of scenarios that I have faced. So let's pack it all up, shall we? When I get there, packing up the pants first. 2 pairs of pants right over here, along with my 2 shirts, side by side. And the sweater, I don't need it yet, so I'm gonna be packing it up right in here. So that is one right there. And then this one will have all of the undies, socks, and pajamas that I will need for my week-long trip. So there it is. This jacket I'm going to be taking with me on the flight in case it gets a little chilly and when I get there, in case it rains. So let's put it all in the Jollying Pebble. It all fits so nicely. I have so much space. And of course, my boots don't get the rest of my stuff dirty. Any bag will do, nothing fancy, but I'm going to be putting them in because I will be wearing a separate pair of shoes on the flight. It's always good to have 2 options just in case, but I could easily just wear 1 pair of shoes if I need to. One right there, and of course my toiletry case. And all in all, it's just a really nice compression right there to keep everything neat. I have so much more space, as you can see, but I'm not gonna fill it up too much because I don't need to. So I'm just gonna close that right up. The carry-on size, really neat. I'm going to lock the zippers right over here. There we go. I'm gonna put my secret code in. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and seeing how I packed for the Pacific Northwest while showing off all the features of the new Pebble suitcase by Jollying. Leave a comment down below if you've ever visited the Pacific Northwest. Tell me all the best spots to visit as well. And see you soon, explorers. Bye-bye.